It's Saturday, 7 March 2026. What's up, everybody? Welcome back to another video. So, guys, these are the numbers that I shared yesterday using the bonus strategy. If you check on tea time yesterday, 47, the brown balls played 47 and 26. They played from this strategy. Those who use this strategy on tea time, congratulations. And then from the number calling strategy, yesterday we had 45 and 17 is the hottest bankers, and then on pairs we had 45 and 48 is main bankers. On lifetime we managed to boom 48 and 15. So yesterday it was not a big boom, but we managed to get something. Alright, let's see what's for today. I'm sure, guys, you boomed the SA Powerball and SA Powerball plans because I posted the predictions on Facebook as I promised, and it was a boom. And yesterday, do you still remember I said 21 might bring 32 or 4, and 32 played, and we had 39 because 38 cost 39, and then we had 15 as well. So from the number calling strategy, those numbers played, and 48 was a backup of 45, so 45 played in form of 48. And then, so since we had 45 and 17, let me show you what happened. We had 45 and 17 is the hottest bankers, so I gave you 48 as the backup of 45, and then the backup of 17, guys, I want you to take note of this. 19. I still remember a few months ago I told you, like, whenever we have like 17, 19 will play instead. Also vice versa, if you have 19, you see that 17 will play instead. But yesterday I forgot. I totally forgot. I remembered after the results. Oops. So, guys, let's see what's for today. I'm going to start off with the number calling strategy, and then we'll see the bonus strategy. After that, we'll check the branch time and the drive time draws. So stay tuned. Alright, let's commence. So the first number that I'm gonna give you from the number calling strategy is 25, 32 and 39. They call 25, so write down 25, and then let's repeat the 17. Let's repeat 17 and 45. Let's repeat them since they didn't play yesterday. Let's repeat them today. Alright, write down those two. And then the other number is 9. And then we have 6. Then we have 8. 15. There's 15 that played on lunchtime yesterday. It might bring 9 or 6 or 8. Between these three, one will play on lunchtime, or 2, or all of them. You never know. Write down 9, 6 and 8. And then the other number that we have is 4. 32 might bring 4. 32 might bring 4. And then we have 40. The 4 that I gave you, 40 and 15, they call each other. And then 47 calls 40 39 equals 40, 42 equals 40. So guys, just highlight 40 as the hottest. Okay, so far 40 is hot. Just highlight it, because as you can see, a lot of numbers they call 40, including 41 as well. These two, 39, 40 and 41, they move together. And then 18 and 48 they call 41. Okay, and then 42, 41 and 40 they move together. So guys, between these two numbers, one who played today, if not both. Alright, so you can just do this quickly. Take 40, pair with 9, 40, pair with 6, since I said 9, 6 and 8 they made play because of that 15. And then you take the 41, do the same thing, 41, since I've highlighted these numbers as the hottest. Okay, and then there you have your 6 pairs. Then you play on lunchtime and tea time. Okay guys, let's continue. The last number is 34. 42 and 43 might bring 34. So now we have our 10 singles. The 10 singles that I gave you, you can pair them up into two numbers, then play on both lunchtime and tea time. Okay guys, so our second strategy is the bonus strategy. From the bonus strategy, we only have 3 numbers, as you can see. Let me show you. Okay, we're gonna take yesterday's bonuses. 43 minus 39 equals to 4. We have the 4, and then number section, 39 is in section 3, 39 is in section 3, and then 43 is in section 7. So if you add 7 plus 3 equals to 10, 7 minus 3 equals to 4. Okay, and then you're gonna take 49. 49 the number of balls. 49 minus 39 equals to 10. 49 minus 43 equals to 6. That's why we have only 6 numbers, and as you can see, the hottest number from these 3 ones is 4, followed by 10. So there you go guys. On the bonus strategy, we have 4, 10 and 6. And then for the brunch time and the drive time draws, the hot singles that we have today are 39 and 41. And then as for the pairs, we have those 6 lines of 2 numbers, 5, 41, 41, 19, 19, 5, 48, 19, 48, 5, 48 and 47. And then another thing guys, if we check previous results, the deaths have been playing in clock strategy. If we check on the 1st of March, 1 in clock strategy is 13. In 24-hour notation, 1 is 1300 hours. 13 played on 2, and then the date 2 in clock strategy is 1400. So 1400 it played, 14 played on 2, and then on 3 15 played. Since in clock strategy 3 24-hour notation, 3 is 1500 hours, and it played on 3 exactly. And then on 4 is 1600. It didn't play on 4, it played the following day. And then yesterday 5, I thought we are going to get, not yesterday, the day before yesterday. Okay, the day before yesterday 5, And then in clock strategy it's 17, but 17 didn't play. So yesterday or the 6th, I thought maybe 17 it was going to play since it didn't play on 5, but it didn't play. Okay, and then yesterday's date was 6 in 24-hour notation. That's 1800 hours. So it also didn't play. And then today's date is 7 is 19. So I'm thinking, since 19 played yesterday, today that 17 might play, guys. That 17 might play today. Okay, so that's why we have 17 on hot pairs. That's the main banker for today. This is for lunchtime and tea time. And then hottest singles for today, both draws, lunchtime and tea, 6 and 9. And then hot pairs, we are going to use 17, like what I was explaining. That 19 played yesterday, and it was supposed to play today. So 19 and 17, these numbers, since they are the backups of each other, 17 might play today. Let's see. Alright guys, that's all for today. Thank you so much for watching my video. Remember to give it a thumbs up. Until next time, bye and good luck.